Alright, y'all, we're going to run Deborah's hairdryer Razz, 20 spots at $1 a spot. Copy our list. And go live. At 8:33. It's 8:33. Post our list. 20 spots. We need a 4 or higher on the dice. 3, that won't work. Alright, 10, that will. Here we go for the first time at 8:34. After the first time, there are 20 items on the list with Vicki Barnett on top, Anita Welch on bottom. Dice calls for a 10. Here we go at 8:34. It's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. After the 9th time, there are 20 items on the list with Anita on top and Crystal on bottom. We have randomized 9 times. Dice. Okay. My bad, y'all. The dice did call for a 9. I'm glad we stopped. It didn't call for a 10. So, 5 and 4 is 9. So, our winner is actually Miss Anita in spot number 7. There were 20 items on our list. We randomized 9 times. Dice did call for a 9, 5 and 4. And we are done at 8:35. 8:35. So congratulations, spot number 7, Miss Anita.